Welcome to Tech You Through. Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to never miss any future videos. Only less than 1% of my subscribers are watching my videos, and all the other 99% are not subscribed. So if you love technology and if you like the content I create, please consider subscribing to my channel as it really helps it to grow. As we are only a month away to the revealing of the new iPhone 13 or iPhone 12s, whatever they're gonna call it, I decided that I have to change my case for the iPhone 12 Pro. So here it is. This is the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro clear case. It has the MagSafe ring around it, as you can see here in the picture. So we're gonna unbox it today, right now. And here is my iPhone 12 Pro in silver without the case on it. So maybe you already watched my unboxing of this original Apple silicone case in a plum color. So you can see here is the magnetic ring, and you can see the ring here on the back on the case. That is not the case for this case, because you can clearly see this magnetic ring on the clear case. Case for the case and clearly for the clear case. So we have here a poetry going on. The beautiful thing about these original covers, original cases, are that you put it in and it shows you what color you put on. So you can see briefly a tiny moment that it showed on display what color the case is on right now. So you can see it's violet or plum, whatever you want to call it. But now the thing is, I really love this silver color on this silver white iPhone, so naturally I want to see it when I use it. And I cannot do this with other cases that cover up the beautiful design on this iPhone 12 Pro. So therefore I have to sacrifice this white magnetic ring because the clear case cannot cover it, let's say. So it cannot be unseeable, invisible. But long story short, the video is worth 1,000 words from me. So we're gonna unbox it here. Just pull this tab, like usually you do. Here you can see that it says you need to put it in the left side with the buttons first. So we're gonna open it up. There's a pull tab, and here is the clear case. Here you see it, like a usual clear case, but with this ugly ring on the back of it. But the thing is, Apple claims that it doesn't get yellowish after using for a while. This is hard case, but actually you can see it flexes a little bit when you push it. And here you can see in the inside, MagSafe, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. If you have this round magnetic charger, I do not have it because I don't see a benefit for it. The round magnetic charger comes with a cord, but in the future I am pretty sure that many third-party manufacturers will adopt this magnetic option for charging devices. So why did I buy this clear case? First of all, I have a silver white iPhone, and if you own a blue, gold or space gray iPhone 12 Pro device, you see this white ring all the time. It pops in your eyes, you just can't unsee it. But I was hoping that because of this white iPhone I will see it a little bit less, or it won't be that disturbing. And the other thing why I bought this original case, because this iPhone 12 has a matte finish here, I am pretty sure that it won't leave any stain marks, any fluids, any bubbles here that you usually see on the clear cases. Let's put it on, and here you go. The buttons work great, like an Apple original should be. Here's the power button and lock button. Here's the mute switch. Very easy accessible. And we are returning to the old original cases that didn't cover the lower side of the phone. Because the first time these iPhone 12s were made, this is the first year, they have this square design, and therefore you can see the leather and silicone cases. The iPhone is covered for all the sides, even down here by the charging port. So that is not the case for this case again. So it's open because of the material, that it's harder. I think it's because it's easier to get this hard plastic off if the downside is open here. As you can see, you can really see the design around the silver, shiny silver sides of the iPhone. And when you see it here, yes, you can see the ugly ring and the Apple logo is in the middle of it. But as I mentioned before, because of the white color, it blends in more naturally. And the camera, all three cameras are protected. You can see, you can put it here and nothing happens. As well, it has a little lip here, so the screen is covered too. Of course, you can put a screen protector on it to be even more secure, but you can easily put it on a desk and nothing should happen for the display. So there it is, original clear case. And finally, I was ready to buy a clear case for my phone just because it has the matte back, matte material, not the glass. So I hope there won't be any fluids here, no bubbles here, nothing like that. And I hope it won't get yellowish. And for the functionality wise, the ring is good for the magnetic charging, for any supported chargers in the future, not only just for the Apple original charger, but for the third-party ones that will come in the future and are already here right now for purchase. And as you can see on the box, this clear case fits perfectly for the new iPhone 12 non-Pro model. You can buy the clear case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the big one, and you can buy identical clear case from Apple for the iPhone 12 mini too.